We are at IKEA, Pandora Hearts, and IKEA.
Like the furniture store.
Yeah.
Like the one from Sweden, you know, with all the furniture.
Follow the arrows. See, like we have to follow the arrows.
Yeah, that's how you don't get lost.
I get lost anyway.
No, you don't get lost. If you follow the arrows, you don't get lost.
We have to sing the IKEA song.
What?
You would not believe your eyes. 10 million home supplies appeared and taught you how to play. Look at that. I want that little. I'm gonna get that. Yeah. Look how much it is. $89. Talk, silence, and they just stop talking and just stare. I don't have my claws right now. I'm sorry.
No claws needed at IKEA.
Yeah, like there's some like some like that onyx. An onyx came and attacked me at the end.
Down. We are?
Don't get kicked out.
We'll try not to.
Here, make someone who would look good.
What?
Hold your purse.
What?
You don't know me.
We're talking, and Laura's gonna hold my phone, okay?
What? Oh, look. The animator studio. I was wondering. It's beautiful.
Spanish. I can understand it.
I'm trolling on somebody. Hey, I'm gonna troll on
I
somebody.
want it so badly.
Because you are
$159. That's $160.
I like this room.
Oh my god, okay, let's try something. Oh, you want me to imitate that? Okay.
Look at this.
Okay, I'm gonna imitate it.
Look. Hey, look. It's broken.
Probably some kid broke it.
This is the most messed up laptop ever.
That's how I like.
I'm going on YouTube.
That's how I like my appliances, nice and broken.
That sounds so horrible.
It is.
I'm gonna sit in this chair.
Is this
You know?
a chair? What is
Brazil. That's what it is. It's Brazil. Look at rocks.
Oh, that's cool. It's like
It rocks.
see, it's like smash. Oh, slam. I'm sorry.
Over the head. We're not freaks, I swear.
It does say Brazil. I know it does.
That's totally
Who wants to get me up because my legs feel really bad? Well, they feel good but bad. But I know I have. Ah, you like shocked me. I hate you. Everybody, let's go. Let's look at the cow portrait that I bought for our house.
Eat good, America. Eat good.
America
You should
only
guys-
eats hamburgers.
Look at our. This is mine.
I want this room. I want this room now. I want it. I want it so bad.
There's your lamp.
There's my lamp. This is my awesome bed.
No, this is my bed. You can sleep up there because cats like high places. Okay.
And then
can't
Vincent
climb
would be in the
it, so-
ceiling.
Vincent, come sleep with me. We can share a bed.
Of course you guys can.
And then Vincent and Echo will be in the ceiling.
Yeah, Vincent and Echo
Where's Mystery Kool-Aid Man gonna sleep?
Ceiling Vincent.
Yeah, Mr. Kool-Aid Man, where are you gonna sleep?
He can sleep in the refrigerator.
I'll sleep in the tub. Always in a tub.
She's so cute when she yawns.
You're staring. Don't stare.
I want to climb on here.
No.
No!
Your mom said don't get kicked out.
If you said that, oh, that sucks.
For your safety is plastic, FYI.
Pictures of people.
I love this place.
Pictures of people.
We stay here forever.
Fall asleep on that couch.
That's my bed!
Calm yourself.
Ew.
You're gonna sleep here? I'm gonna leave the microwave door open because I'm a jerk that way. I'm gonna get some drinks and leave the refrigerator
I love how
door
we
open.
fix it.
You have to clean it for me. And I'm gonna leave this here even though it's boiling. I'm gonna put this in the shower. I'm gonna break the laptop. And I'm gonna put the pants
I
on.
love how we're fixing everything. I should go to the top.
Let's not
It's going automatically.
Oh my god. It's a robot. He's gonna take over the world. My goodness.
Is she an Autobot or Decepticon? Mystery Kool-Aid Man, get in front of me.
because I'm not Mystery Kool-Aid Man. I don't know what the heck you're talking about. Call me anything but that. What you call me before I was Uncle Curly, whatever it was that made me mad, you can call me that. I don't
Uncle
care.
Curly?
Before Uncle Curly, what was
Uncle
it?
Tard.
Uncle Tard. That's a good place. You see me? Just come out with your best.
No, you can't do that. Only break can do that. See, watch. I'm gonna disappear.
Oh my gosh, where did he go?
I don't know, I don't see anything. Where'd Break go?
See, I came out from the
You can't tell that I'm back here.
Whoa.
And now we leave you. That's so big enough.
Roll all the way across and then all the way back.
You're like Yui in her reading her books. You do the Yui laugh.
Someone took that and then made it.
No.
What'd she say?
What?
What'd she say?
Hello, IKEA visitors.
Do you need
You
help?
can bring anything you here.
Yes, we had a few too many happy
We
pills.
have a crazy child with us.
We have a mentally disturbed child and we don't have a hospital one.
Stand in this
No, don't.
Don't stand in there.
Don't. This is how you get kicked out. Okay, I won't stand in it. I think she's getting high. She's not listening. We don't know them. We don't know them. They're totally ignoring us. Oh, now we know them. Now we know them. Interesting, so I don't see why I would put it on the internet anyway.
Because no one messing around with the camera.
Stop. Stop.
We're gonna do your lizard tongue again for the camera.
Oh yeah, the lizard tongue again.
Wait. For old time's sake, go ahead.
It was that long ago.
It was a year ago.
That's
I have to adjust my lips.
I'm
How long
getting
does this
ready.
take? Okay.
I can't do
So I
it.
just go like this. Just go like that. Okay, we give up. Let's go.
I could do it now. Fine.
We're in the abyss. I mean, look at those walls.
The dolls
Of
come
course, she has
alive
to go
and
through
eat
this. Look.
you.
She just went through that door.
Go.
How do I?
Go down.
No one shall pass. Roar. Let me through.
Woo. That was a trip.
But
Sell those rats.
Come check out our expedited TV storage unit in white or black brown.
It's a rabbit. Too bad it's not black.
I thought that was
that's a kangaroo.
It's a kangaroo.
唔係，即係我覺得呢個太細都感覺到。
Alice just called my vest sexy.
She's high, I swear.
Let's all go and have fun in line.
Oh, but my legs hurt. I'm a rebel child. Rebel? That's how Cheshire is. You're just...
I've realized that.
Give me that macaroni. Who's the trying? It's funny because I still thought I was at the anime expo, and I was like, why are all these people staring at us? I mean, it's normal. It's not normal.